Hello, we are from SSD team and now we want to show you our final project, which is canteen management team. Our team are me, Muhammad Rizky Pratama, and then Don Rosa, and then Muhammad Syauqi Abdurahman.
So in the first function, there is the main menu function. This will be our main interface of the application. And here also, the user will be prompted to input a number, in this case between 1 till 5, so that the program could eventually run functions that are allocated in respective choices of numbers. For example, if the user picks number 1, then it will allow the user to add a new customer and also book them at the same time. And now we are going to talk about the function that is named add. This function is used to add new customer and also book them a table at the same time. In this function as well, we created a file stream that would allow the application to write and save the data of the new customer in a certain file. In the third function, there is the display function. In this function, it also uses a file stream, but in this case, it's an if stream. So this stream will read the file from before that has the same name as the previous saved file. And what this function do is to display a particular customer record. So in the data from the add function, which is the function just previously, could be displayed here in this function if it exists, because it was saved in some some file. The fourth function, there is the table function. It is used to display all used tables. In this function, it also uses a file stream, in this case an if stream, to also read from the same file as the previous two functions, so that it could take data of the table number and also the customer's identifications.
And then we have void restaurant table function to show the list of table allowed. Here it will see outing the table, the name, the address and phone of the customer. And then we have a function to edit the table or to edit the table inside the last function. Here we have modify the customer record and delete the customer record, and the last is to show the bill of customer. We can enter our choices and enter which number we want to modify or delete, and if we enter not 1 or 2 or 3, we will get the wrong choice in our terminal. And then we have a restaurant modify function, which is used to modify the function. We can change the name, the address and the new phone number of the customer. And if we have succeed modify the function, this program will be outing record is modified. And if we inputting the vacant table, it will outing sorry table not found or vacant. And then we have a delete rec function to delete the table that has been in the program. And first it will outing the name, the address and the phone number, and once again ask you if you want to delete this record or not. And if we enter Y, we will delete it, and if we enter N, we will not delete it. Again, if the table is vacant, the program will outing sorry table is not found or vacant. And then we have a function to show the bill, which is it will show the bill, but it's still just 3 bill here, just 2000, 5000, and 7000, and table not found again because like we still not talk about the database and yeah, so on. And then in main function, the first it will see outing like the first display, the canteen management project by that has been created by us SSD team, and then it will get and enter the function that has been described by us before, and if the function has been succeeded run, it will return 0. Thank you.